Everglades restoration is directly tied to the health of wading birds, and my research within Florida Atlantic's Department of Biological Sciences is unlocking the secrets to their success. The latest science suggests that the decline in wading bird nesting is linked to a drop in prey like marsh fishes, which are crucial during the breeding season. Wading birds rely on having high concentrations of prey in shallow pools for efficient foraging, which leads to better reproductive outcomes. My research tracks aquatic fauna concentrations to explore how water level fluctuations as well as prey availability shape wading bird foraging and nesting. We hope to predict the most successful nesting seasons by identifying when and where prey densities peak. This work directly influences management decisions that support wading bird populations and drive Everglades restoration efforts. Through continuous monitoring, we gain crucial insights into the interactions between water conditions, prey, and wading birds, helping to protect South Florida's biodiversity and ecosystem health.